Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Drunken Engineer. So today I'm going to share about the trade that I have taken in Bharat Petroleum. So let us quickly jump onto the chart. So this is the setup, and I was looking out for a 1:1 ratio, like 5% of the invested capital as a risk and 5% of the invested capital as a target. So if you see here, so this is today's chart of BPCL, and here what has happened is, so this was my breakout. So the line you have seen. So this candle at around 9:55, the candle has uh, like uh, taken on the previous day's low. So this was my breakout point. So immediately, as soon as the candle got closed, I have entered into the trade at this point, like around 9:59. So in this candle, 9:55 candle, I have entered into the trade, and my stop loss was this candle's body, and we target for 1:1, or like 1:2 something, 1:1.07, you can see. So almost 1:1. So within few minutes the target got achieved, so I have exited somewhere around here in this candle. I expected as soon as like a few green red candles were getting formed, so I thought it might go more, but there was small pullback, and on the first green candle itself I have exited this. But if I would have stayed here, I would have got some good, really good, what I can say, like amount, like returns here, like more than 1:5, 1:3, or 1:4 I would have got. Because if you see here, so I have entered the trade at 9:59, almost 10 o'clock, and within half an hour I have exited at 10:20, like 10 rupees 20 paise, and I have entered the trade at 9 rupees 50 paise. Okay, fine. So I got a profit of approximately 1300 rupees. But if you see the current trading price, it is 11.80. So if you calculate, like if I would have stayed some way, like if I would have what you can say, like trailed the stop loss, we could have got easily 3 to 4 thousand rupees. So my impatience I actually lost. So because of the impatience that I have, even though like not impatience, I would say that was planned, like 1:1 was the planned thing. What if would have gone back? So this was about the trade. So the setup was, the previous day's low was taken out, and immediately I have entered the trade, and within few minutes, with 1:1 risk to reward ratio, our target was hit. So that's it in this video. Hope you guys like the video. Bye.